This is a picture of our future. Many people believe that there won't be any schools in the future. Instead, students will learn at home with the help of a personal computer and the Internet. It is true that technology plays a big part in learning today. How can technology help students? In many parts of the world, students use personal computers to write their school assignments or keep notes of lectures. What's more, students go online to look up useful information or do an online course. But will computers be able to replace teachers at school? Teachers motivate their students, help them out with difficult tasks, answer their questions, and give clear explanations. Moreover, teachers show young children how to behave and act as role models for them. To sum up, technology can help students learn things. Unfortunately, it cannot offer them the inspiration and support that teachers can. Vocabulary: behave, go online, inspiration, keep notes, lecture, motivate, replace, role models, school assignments. So, technology is a great thing, but it will never replace the teacher.